What's up guys, this video is about the DJI repair or warranty process. I just went through it, so I'm going to share my experience for replacing the gimbal on this Phantom 4. Camera had that thing called a Jello Effect, or I called it jittery until I learned it was called Jello Effect. Here's a clip of it, but it's miserable footage, totally unusable. If you ever make a video ever, go through the process just for the after sales repair request through DJI.
So really quickly, the repair process, you're going to start with a phone call and make sure they can't work anything out over the phone. They'll advise you to come here to the online repair request, where you'll request the repair, you'll box your product, they'll assess and repair your product, and then they'll ship it back to you, and they'll send you an invoice, and that will tell you if you're going to have to pay for any of their services. If it was a warranty, you won't have to pay for anything. For me, the whole process took from December 19th, 2007 till January 4th, 2018. So not very long. I was overall really happy.
Go ahead and start by Googling DJI Repair Services and scroll down to DJI Repair Service Center. We want to make an online request. What you'd want to do is give them a call, make sure they can't work out your issue over the phone for whatever your repair needs are, and then they'll guide you to this website. Hit online repair request. From here, you're going to start the process. We've talked about this already. North America, the United States, submit. You can either do your serial number or the product model. I'm going to go via the product model because it's the harder one. Phantom 4 Pro, and next. We want to repair a gimbal malfunction for the shaky gimbal or the Jello Effect. Nothing wrong with the software. I'm going to describe my problem, and I went into detail here, and you guys will want to do that as well, but go ahead and describe it here. We already tried calling over the phone, so we're just going to pass that, hit continue. My purchase channel was through Amazon, and choose your date. Upload your proof of purchase, so your receipt from Amazon or from the DJI store. I don't have DJI Care, so we won't leave that box unchecked. Hit next. And then we just want to send just the drone back, so manufacturer component. We're not going to send everything back like you would for a return. We're not going to send batteries, we're not going to send propellers, no SD cards, and no non-DJI products. So you can just get away with the drone in the box. Hit next. At this point, we're really close to being done. You want to add a new address for where they're going to ship it back to, and then you'll be on the submit page. After submitting, you'll be sent an email with a shipping label. Go ahead and put that label on the box and ship it to DJI. You'll also be emailed a case number. You'll be able to look up the status of your order with your case number, either in the DJI Go app or online. Overall, the experience was fantastic. I just got the Phantom 4 back yesterday, and the footage is buttery smooth, no Jello Effect, and I'm really stoked on DJI's warranty service process. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, like, comment. There's my little body right here. Just go ahead and click that once.
I trained my luck to know why he's caught in the crossfire.